Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we discuss standard study area layout map. Whether you are GIS beginner or a professional, in this guide will help you easily create standard study area layout map. So let's start. We open arcmap. Here is arcmap. We add our shape file. Here is our shape file. We select all and add. We change symbology, GCB point, click and select OK. GCB point, landmark, power point, transit point, road line, obstacle, railway line, road edge, agriculture, building, city boundary, footpath, green area, grid, locality, open space, power boundary, transit area, vacant land, and water boundary. We select here all symbology. After symbology, we go to layout view and we right click to out of boundary and go to page setup, and we select here size, we select here A3 and orientation, landscape, OK, and we adjust it and we insert frame 1, insert frame 2, insert 3, and insert 4. We also insert neckline. We select all, we go to insert neckline. Okay, our neckline is here. We adjust it neckline and we adjust it and we click first data frame. We right click and go to add. We go to admin boundary. We select here India admin 1, add. We right click and go to full stand. We'll click here and change color if you want to change. We right click, open attribute table. We select here Haryana. Okay, Haryana is highlighted. We export it. And we write here Haryana, save and add. We change color. Haryana is highlighted. Haryana highlighted. Next, we second right click, go to add, admin 2, and we right click, go to open attribute table, and here is name, state name. We go to select by attribute. We go to name equal get unique value and we select Haryana. We select here Haryana, apply. Okay, Haryana is selected. We export, right click, go to data and we write here Haryana underscore 1, save, export and remove. Here is Haryana. We right click, go to full extend and we go to again open attribute table. We select here Hisar and we export again. We right click, go to data, we write here Hisar, save and OK. We highlighted Hisar. Our Hisar is highlighted. Frame 3, we right click and go to add data. We select here Hisar, we already export it, and we right click, go to full extent, and we change color. Hisar, and next our town boundary, we right click, go to add data. Here is town, we select here town boundary, city boundary, we add. Here is our city boundary, right click, go to full extent, and we change color. Here is boundary, India, state, district, and our study area, means work area. After this, we go to insert, we go to legend. Here is our legend, next, and we select here border as per your requirement, and if you want to background, you select here background, drop shadow, next, finish. Here is our legend, and we adjust it, legend, and we insert north arrow, go to north arrow, we select here north arrow, here is north arrow, and we adjust it, and insert scale, go to insert scale, and we select here scale, here is scale, we adjust it and modify. You right click, go to property, and here is scale unit, we select here kilometer, and here is short, we label here km, kilometer. And if you want to change font, go to font, color, we select here color bar, and apply, and OK. Here is our scale bar. After it, we insert neckline, go to insert neckline. If you want to change border, you select here border, we already selected it, OK, and here our neckline is created, we adjust as per requirement. Here is neckline, and we adjust it data, we go to pan, adjust it, take hand for move, we set here, go to insert title, we write here standard study area layout map, OK, and we double click and go to change symbology, we write here 55 bold, and we select here Arial black, OK, and apply, OK. Here is title, we select standard study area layout, and we go to insert and go to neckline, we OK. Here is our neckline, and we complete our map. We go to file, export map, and we write here standard study area layout map, and we save, and we open it, double click. Our map is ready. You have successfully created a standard study area layout map. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below with any question. See you the next tutorial. Thank you.